Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 123. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your email in Binance. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Binance app. Now in the top left corner, we can see this icon over here. Simply tap on this. Now click on settings. Scroll down to security and click on email over here. Now we can see this edit icon over here. Simply tap on this and we need to click on continue to change email. Now we need to enter the verification code we got in email. Now enter the new email address. Now click on get code over here and enter the verification code and the new email. Now simply click on submit. So the email is finally changed. So this is it. This is how we can change email in Binance. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.